makeup on. I love how it looks. This is what I'm wearing, and this kimono. I wanted to carry this because I know I'll pass by town, buy a few things. The bag is big, I can lift up inside.
Ujanipewa namba.
It's the bracelets.
When it comes to this lip gloss, do you know, bro, how long I've wanted this lip gloss? Too long, thank you.
Every boom.
Okay, so taking it out, check the launch, then, oh my god, pink is my color.
I know everything is pink inside.
I know, like, you know me so well. Right now, it's like,
Happy birthday, dear Aisha. Happy birthday to you. Thank you so much.
okay, can you go to the sun?
Just love how I did my makeup. Ow. It was simple and easy, quick, 5-10 minutes makeup, and I'm done. I usually do the same look over and over again, so I want to do like a quick skincare routine and then maybe watch a movie, sleep because it's on a Friday. I don't think I'll be working today because I feel like I want to watch something, relax, and then sleep. So I don't know if I should. No, I should remove my makeup first, shower, and then do like a deep skincare routine. I got products. They sent me their whole set. I'm not really Batika. I'm the type of person who never does skincare because I have eczema, and I feel like most products don't how do I say it, cater for people with eczema, or if they do, I don't know about their brands, but I know about this. It's Kenyan made and the products are amazing. I've had it since December 1st, and I think I'll make a video on how they've really helped me. And yeah, so I think right now I'll just use it. In the morning I used this, and it's at night I'm gonna use this and the moisturizer. Should I do the mask? I don't know, I don't have time, so yeah, most probably I'll do that. I got this from Miso. This, what do they do? 2 pumps.
They're always open.
That one is very soon to. Skincare items, of course, morning, evening, moisturizer, and now I need black. These two. I want to water the plants right now. I don't think I'll do the bottle thing I was talking about, like we do the longer now. So we'll just do this. At least that will sustain it.
Where's your dera? Endea sahi. Udi ndakupiga mimi siri kako. Anachezanga na kila mtu huyu. Ndamtandika.
Arsenal fan. Tukipiga bao.
That's what. It's not doing anything, Joy. Joy. You. Natalia na kaza.
Anguka naye.
Uncle Dan, who is recording?
Anguka naye. Kachini. Sasa hivi.
Yes, right. Again.
Alafu na straight line. 1 2 3
Guys, for you to be seeing the video, the last person.
Hebu akate ni muone. Sasa utakata meza bro.
So light. Look na max.
Yeah, that's a strong one.
Tutatembea hivyo kali kwa. Sasa hivi.
Yeah, huko tulikuwa tunasukuma ball.
So they're supposed to face this way.
One way. 40 cards mtu mmoja.
One person has 40.
If you're good, we can start.
Nipange.
Make sure uko nazo. Na zote zi face side
So we are
moja.
doing
Shuffle them. Na make sure ziko vizuri nani.
So mkianza mgeni
Tunapanga 4, right?
Tatu.
Tatu. 1, 2,
That's
3.
then 10.
Tunaweka mbele yangu ama tunaweka kwa ndani yako?
Mbele karibu na wewe. That is your file.
Songesha chini kidogo antidoko zitarusha zingine.
Alafu
Sasa hapa
1, 2,
maybe leave space for the 4.
Leave space for
10. 10 pia zina face juu.
Weka kando. Weka hiyo side ndio
Weka ile side.
utokota haraka.
Tena naanza tena.
Sijui ya.
Wale wanigenia speed. Angalia tu mtashikanisha nimenyapa.
Nimetoa hapa nirudishe hapa.
Umeweka. Nasufikiria mafuta ni moto, ingiza tu hapo ndani tutapita nini.
Hizo umeingiza sahi.
Lelo tunaelewa kitu hapa.
nyama zetu tu observe.
Observe tunawaambia. Ni rahisi sana.
Finya pause tami. Tami.
Watakula hizo samosa zote wamaliza.
Chome tu tatu tu. Kwenye tunaenda mbali. Kwenye tunaenda mbali, chome tu tatu. Nataka za mingi.
Mbali ni wapi? Hapa nini? Hapa Kayole.
Kwenye tunaenda mbali.
Mbali ni hapa Kayole. Hapa
Tumemaliza tunataka kuhesabu. Hatuna za huko. But now you go to the gist, eh?
Yeah.
But who has more cards?
As in sister now fight. Let's do the black one last time enough to tumaliza. Let's go faster game.
And this one.
Are we good? You can place the 3.
Mwisho. Alafu unaweka 1. Unaweka 10.
10.
4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Alafu nani fast. So
Ala mwekeni nini?
Hao walikuwa. Hapo kuna 1.
Umetusaidia.
Na ndio hiyo na
Morning guys, I know I promised you guys I'm going to show you my nails and I didn't, but look at that, it's perfect. This other hand, literally obsessed.
Welcome to a week in my life. I think we're being productive this morning. It's actually half. Stop it. You're unlikable. You don't like that shit. You want to be liked. You want to be favored. You want to be an enjoyable client. You want to be someone that they look forward to talking to. Not just knowing that you're going to be ignored. God damn. Pasta. This week's going to be pasta week. We're also going to make the Turkish pasta tonight.
So you need to keep scores too on this one, and I'll show you how to keep scores. Yeah, like moja, and then let's tufungue board. Hii Scrabble will make it face whoever was gonna go to start. Ndio, unaandika anything kama ni English word, it has to be an English word. Uwezi andika kichochoro hapo. So lakini you always want to hold the S zako unless inakupatia points mingi because unaona at the end you're gonna need it.
This bag has literally been saving me anytime I come to the gym, and I'm so happy. I got it from a friend as PR, and it's just honestly the perfect gym bag. Fits perfectly. I'm actually really bored because I left my wig at home, unfortunately, so the outfit I wanted to wear I didn't, so I've thought about not going to the gym. Oh no. I want to set this before my headset before I go for swimming, and then I'll come back. I'm about to enter the steam. You need a good scrub anytime you enter, and it just exfoliates and your skin just feels so smooth. I'll see you guys afterwards. I can't enter with my phone. I've taken a quick shower and I feel so good. Dress up, go home, have a little bit of sleep, and then wake up for work. Now that I'm looking at it, I don't think it actually looks that bad. Looks nice. So yeah, really wanna stress like in a natural wig, but yeah, this works. This actually works. For a stroll, and I think I'll pass by my mom's to get my wig. I think I'm gonna wear this today. Yeah, I'm back to this. I didn't want to wear this wig, but there's honestly nothing I can do. There's the whole wig, yeah. I don't look bad. It's just that CJ Yosha or done anything to the hair. I just need to like blow dry it or maybe flat iron and do something to it. I'm gonna see you guys when I come back. Emma, I'm gonna do a video on this stroll. Suspect hates washing dishes. Not doing it up as a very fasting and damn. I got water recently. CJ wake up at the dispenser. I'm gonna drink warm water. Hello. I can see more. It's a kid's bottle, by the way, but I loved it. There we go. Yes. This is my scent of the day. I got this too recently. I am obsessed. I love them. Okay, why would I say I'm obsessed? Okay, I've used them for a while and I can say they're long lasting. It's amazing. I had this from before. Amazing. Yeah, life changing. I'm selling this baby. It has served me for a while, but it has to go. Niuze nini? Ai, si wambie Moha kutengenezee. Moha ndo nilitengenezea 8K. Bob tano ya wapi? Ebu na sijaandika for a while. Hiki kitu. Sina Ivas.
Is this sticker?
Oh, this one's nilizi by what's it called? Miniso. Because zimejificha nikasema mimi nayo.
Oh, I thought that the drawers.
No, sidhani inatokana. Sukumana. And your bed is black. You look nice. Plant? No, buy a land sheep. Kale kadogo.
Plant.
Not plant. Thanks to my mommy, I have new curtains. It looks so nice. The texture, it's a bit long and I want to change my room to brown and green. So yeah, I'm such a happy girl. Piece moja, I have to peleka it, ikatwe, ziwe mbili, and yeah, I'll have a pretty room. I'm so happy. From my mom's house to pick up my wig. Jayla looks so bad. Nataka kuitengeneza, but first I wanna deep clean the fridge. I didn't last time when I was doing the deep cleaning for the house, and also the balcony. It looks bad, the balcony in Guinea. So yeah, and I didn't wash last night's dishes. I washed the dishes. So yeah.
kisses on some pallets. It's yours, baby, you can crash it on me. Cash out on a video. Cash out to see the rodeo.
Done cleaning. I actually wanted it to kai kidogo. Hizi zimekauka pia, so hakuna haja kupanguza. Very good. And also that, and yeah.
Hi guys, so today we're doing fridge arrangement. Yeah, that's what we're doing today. We're gonna arrange the fridge and eat the pizza.
Toka hapa.